Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Samsung Galaxy A51. Samsung has given this budget-friendly favorite a fresh update, and we're here to break down everything you need to know about its features, exterior, and overall value. Starting with performance, the new Galaxy A51 is powered by an upgraded chipset, making multitasking and gaming smoother than ever. With a more efficient processor and improved GPU, it handles apps, videos, and even heavier games without lag. The battery life has also been enhanced, now supporting faster charging to keep you powered up throughout the day. The display remains one of its strongest points. Samsung continues to use a Super AMOLED panel, delivering vibrant colors and deep blacks. The refresh rate has been bumped up, making scrolling and animations feel much more fluid. Whether you're watching videos, browsing social media, or gaming, the screen quality is impressive for its price range. When it comes to cameras, Samsung has stepped up its game. The new quad camera setup features a higher megapixel main sensor, improving low-light photography and overall image clarity. The ultra-wide and macro lenses have also been fine-tuned for better detail and color accuracy. The front camera now supports advanced AI features, ensuring crisp selfies and smoother video calls. Design-wise, Samsung has made subtle yet noticeable improvements. The back panel has a more premium finish, with a matte texture that reduces fingerprints. The frame feels more solid, and the bezels around the display have been trimmed down for a more modern look. Despite these changes, the phone remains lightweight and comfortable to hold. For software, the latest version of One UI brings smoother animations, better customization, and enhanced security features. Samsung promises extended software support, ensuring your device stays up to date with new features and security patches. In terms of connectivity, the Galaxy A51 now supports the latest 5G bands, making it future-proof for faster mobile data speeds. The speaker system has been improved for clearer sound, whether you're listening to music, watching videos, or on a call. So is the 2025 Samsung Galaxy A51 worth it? Absolutely. With a faster processor, improved cameras, a smoother display, and a sleek design, it continues to be one of the best budget-friendly smartphones on the market. Samsung has refined what made the A51 great while keeping the price competitive. That's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new Galaxy A51. Would you buy it, or are you looking at other options? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech updates. See you in the next one.